Hello and welcome to StatLab StatCrunch tutorials. In this section, you will be learning how to graph a pie chart using StatCrunch. The data I have here is, I have the number of students in associate degree, number of students in bachelor's, master's, and doctoral. So basically, a pie chart is a circle that's divided into sectors, and the area of each sector is proportional to your data. So when you look at it, the bachelors are most numbers here, so I should have a large sector or section of the circle for bachelors. Now let me go ahead and graph that. So graph pie chart. Remember, this is not your data, it's your summary. So summary, and my categories are degrees. I'm counting them in thousands, and I don't want to change anything. Start an angle at 0, basic 7 colors. You can choose as many colors as you want, alternate 7. I'm just going to pick something here, and I am going to, sorry about the sound, and I'm going to click compute. And if you see that, because bachelor's degree has more in number, my sector for the bachelor's is the largest area, and then comes the associate, and then the master's. The least is your doctoral degree. So the area of the sector is proportional to the number of the category or the variable here. All right, so now moving on to the next type of graphing and representing your data, which is going to be a bar graph. This is my favorite. I'm just going to click bar plot, summary, and again your categories are degree, you're counting them in numbers, and the colors, I want to pick soft 9 colors. I'm going to put a value above the bar. I always like to do this, and I'm going to click compute. So I see that the associate is 943, the bachelor's is 1076, doctoral is 160, and the master's is 150. So these are different types of representing your data. Depending on your data, you want to pick what type of representation you want. Now the difference between a bar plot and a pie chart is, one is a circle, the other one is bars. But we have one more category, which is called the perto chart. The only difference between perto charts and your bar graphs is, let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to edit this. In your perto charts, the bars are positioned in decreasing height. So I'm going to go ahead, count descending, and click compute. You see that this is a perto chart where your bars are in decreasing order. So the highest goes first, the second highest, the third highest, and then the least. So all you have to do for your perto chart is click graph, bar plots with summary. Your categories are going to be a degree, counting in thousands. You're descending, value above the bar. I'm going to change my colors to, I don't know, some, and then here you go. This is my perto chart. Hope this helps.